Hey, did you know Data Vault offers those features businesses are looking for when building a new modern data platform? But the question is Data Vault for everyone? I often get this kind of questions by those people who are approaching Data Vault for the first time. What is the benefit of incorporating Data Vault within the data architecture? In this episode, I'm going to give you 3 basic principles to understand when to use and when not to use Data Vault. Excited to dig in? Smash in that like button. Welcome to Master Data. I'm Raza, and on this channel, I help you become a data literate with mastery data strategy. If you're new to this channel, welcome. I drop an episode 3 times a week to decode data and help you grow with your data understanding. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. You'll get notified every single time I drop an episode with data energy. Now, if you're already part of this community, welcome back. It's always awesome to see you over here. When to use Data Vault principle number 1, multiple source system and relationship that changes frequently. Data Vault provides excellent value when your data comes from disparate source systems or has a constantly changing relationships. Now, here's the thing, right? If your changes has been occurred in one of your source system, taking a Data Vault approach helps you capture the changes for the particular source system. The changes does not have to show up for all the other source systems that is there in your Data Vault or captured in your Data Vault. Instead, you can limit the number of places where the changes can get impacted because your attributes are separated or segregated from the key values, which is a structured data in your satellite tables. The other thing that you get the benefit in the principle number 1 is additionally, it is easy to account for new or changing relationship by closing a link and creating another link in your link table. So when there is a change in your relationship with your source system based on the business key, that completely is been captured in your link table. When to use Data Vault principle number 2, easy tracking and audit your data. By nature, Data Vault demands including these fields in each of its table, be it hub table, link table, or satellite table. What are those fields? Source record field, enabling you to audit the source system information to understand where the data is coming from. Second is the load date as part of your primary key. When attributes are updated or new records are introduced, you can easily track that because the load data is as part of your primary key, right? All of this auditing enables you to easily provide availability of both regulatory as well as data governance purpose. When to use Data Vault principle number 3, enables quicker data load process. Did you know using Data Vault, many of the tables can be loaded parallelly because model describes the dependencies between the tables, whether it's a hub table, link table, or satellite table during the load process to simplify the ingestion process itself. Now, let me pause for a second before we jump into the understanding of when not to use Data Vault. Are you starting to see the value? If yes, can I request you to smash that like button because I like it, my team loves it, and so does the YouTube algorithm. Now, let's get on to understanding when not to use Data Vault. There are 2 parts to it. A, you cannot map your Data Vault data directly to your reporting. It's not ideal to do it because Data Vault demands you to introduce this 3 table, hub table, the link table, and the satellite table. And when you do this, so you're introducing the joins, and reporting basically performance goes down because of the introduction of the joins itself by all of those 3 tables, right? Rather, instead, you will move your Data Vault data into a star model, which is a data mart, and then start reporting from it. The second part is you have a single source system or relatively a static data, then you are not obliged to use Data Vault architecture whatsoever. Right? Note this in your mind. Simplicity is the best policy, right? It does not mean that you know about the Data Vault right at the moment. You have to start incorporating that in your data application whatsoever. You don't have to. It will not benefit you whatsoever. Finally, note this. Your Data Vault increase the storage capacity by 3x. Now, let me repeat that. Your Data Vault introduction within your data application or data architecture will increase the storage capacity by 3x because you're splitting your single source table into those 3 tables, hub table, link table, and satellite table. Essentially, the number of tables increase and the storage capacity also. Second thing that you need to know about Data Vault is it have to be focused with the insert only architecture kind of thing. If you hadn't focused in insert only architecture, then you are not rightly positioning your Data Vault implementation whatsoever, right? Now, if you got the value from this episode, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. It's me signing off. You would mean a world to me and my team. But if you're with us, you're going to be mastering data. Thank you.